Breakfast time. What are you eating? Noah is eating toast bread with avocado. Yummy. Yummy? Isn't it yummy? Okay. Noah is gonna eat yummy, yummy. 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 Isn't it yummy? Yes. Yummy. Yummy breakfast for Noah. Yes. Careful. Wow. Good job. After avocado and toast bread, now it's time for strawberry. Yummy. Yummy. It's really good, no?